Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to apply presets to your picture on the Lightroom application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone, select a picture from your library, tap on it and then click on the presets button down below, which is the fourth option. Here you can find three sections such as recommended, that will be recommended to you by analyzing your picture, and then the app will show you the best options based on your picture. If you tap on them, you are going to see how they look like applied to your picture. And if you would like to, you can save this to your presets by tapping on the Save to Your Presets button. And if you want to apply it, click on the checkmark icon down below in the right side corner. You can also choose from these categories such as subtle, strong, black and white, cool, and so on by sliding to the right side of the screen. If you go to the premium section, you can find the presets for portraits, seasons, style, and other categories. You have a bunch of options. If you tap on one of them, you can check out what kind of preset does that particular category contains. And here in the Your section, you can also find your own presets. If you have selected the one that suits your preferences, click on the checkmark icon down below and then you will be able to save your picture. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.